Charanjit Singh Channi is an Indian politician and the Chief Minister-designate of Punjab. He is a member of the Indian National Congress. He was previously Minister of Technical Education and Training under Amarinder Singh and Leader of the Opposition in the Punjab Legislative Assembly. Channi is a member of the Dalit community. He was born in the village of Makrona, Kalan. He read law at Punjab University and has an MBA from PTU Jalandhar. He is married and has 2 children. Channi was Leader of Opposition in the Punjab Legislative Assembly from 2015 to 2016. In 2017, he was appointed Minister of Technical Education and Industrial Training in the second Amarinder Singh ministry. In September 2021, he succeeded Captain Amarinder Singh as Chief Minister of Punjab after the latter's resignation. He is the first Dalit Sikh Chief Minister of Punjab. In 2018, a video showed Channi flipping a coin to choose between 2 candidates to be lecturer. The BJP and Shiromani Akali Dal called on voters to remove him. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.